In front of me is Redmi A3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Now use the switcher at the top next to Bluetooth to activate it, and wait for Volvo devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!